Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can save our photo as PNG file in Snapseed application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open my Snapseed application in my mobile phone. And as you can see, I have prepared my photo. For example, I'm going to save my photo as PNG file in the Snapseed. If we want to do that, we can go to the Snapseed setting, click on these three dots on the top right, and then you can go to the settings. In the settings, we have to choose format and quality. And if we want to save our photo as PNG file, we just need to select PNG. Okay, and I'm just going to go back to my photo, and we just need to click on export and then click on save. And after that, our photo will be saved as PNG file. Alright guys, and that's all the way to save our photo as PNG file in Snapseed. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.